Y'all, I managed to make what used to be my annual salary as a laboratory technician in the first month of doing taxes. Literally, the first month of me doing taxes this year, I was able to make what used to be my yearly salary. So listen, on today, I'm going to tell you guys just how to do it. A lot of people who are tax preparers have been reaching out, asking, how do you make this amount? How do you make six figures with tax preparations? I'm going to give you the step-by-step guide on today. So stay tuned to this video because you don't want to miss this stuff. Hey y'all, hey, it's me, your fave G, and I am back with another one. Welcome if you are new, welcome back if you are not. I'm your girl G with the gems, and over here on my channel, we talk all things life changing. We talk about budgeting, saving, money management, any and everything that can change your life. We discuss it right here on this channel. Credit, tax preparation, home buying, anything. We literally talk about it here on my channel. Hence, G with the gems. So if that's stuff that you like, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on none of this good stuff. Because we got some good stuff coming, you guys. So, y'all, first of all, full disclosure, I am not telling you what to do. I am not telling you how to do it. I'm just giving you what I did and how I became a six-figure earner when it came down to tax preparation. If you want to question it, go question it on somebody else's video because this ain't the video for you, all right? All right, y'all. So, first of all, I just want to tell you guys, when you have decided to become a tax preparer, you have to literally get it into your mental that this is what I'm going to do. This is my goal. I want to open up a tax franchise, okay? It's not hard. It's not stressful. All you have to do is put your mind to it. So, my first thing is going to be, I need you to make a decision on what it is that you want to do. Do you just want to get in it to make a couple of dollars so that you can last? Or do you need to make a couple of $1,000s so you can buy your home, buy your car? I'm going to be honest with y'all. When I first got into the tax game, I just needed extra income to suffice the laboratory income that I was making. So I would just do it on those free apps. I'm not going to say no names, but I would just do it on those free apps so that I can make a little extra change. But when I needed to purchase my home, y'all, I needed to get some real money. I needed some real money, and my salary was not cutting it, y'all. I was bringing home roughly $45,000 a year. Listen, you already know if you break it down into 2 weeks what that was looking like. I wasn't going to make it just off of that. My husband was bringing the income in. I was not. I was literally scraping every penny that I had. I had to make a decision, you guys, that this is something that I wanted to do. I knew that I love dealing with people. I knew that I love helping people. So I knew that whatever my passion was in life, I was going to be helping people. So what's best in helping people, especially people that's in poverty, people that don't know the tax game, people that are not interested in learning it, because you got to remember there's so many people in this world that don't want to learn about taxes, that some people just are afraid of numbers. Some people are afraid of dealing with the IRS. I can tell you the IRS makes you nervous, okay? So I understand that, and that's why you come in and you hire a tax specialist that is trained and that can help you become the best you and to get the most money back or to not pay as much money, right? That's what the name of this game is. Literally, you have to make the decision that this is something that you want to do, you want to be passionate about, and you want to do it the right way and help people out, okay? Next, you have to get you some adequate training. You have to get right training. Don't try to go and Google it and don't do that. Don't do that. Do not do that. I have so many people that have told me, I went on Google and Google didn't give me the right code for this. No, stop that. Stop doing that. Listen, I love those Facebook groups. I love them. They help a lot. But you have to get trained professionally and right, okay? Make sure you're trained before you step out here trying to do taxes. They have so many training programs, and we actually have a training program. Now, I'm going to tell you this. Our training program is currently full, unfortunately, and we have a waiting list of over 5,000 people. So we are not taking any more people in our list until we hash out train our partners, and get them ready for 2025 tax season. But I have some more tax training courses that's linked below. So if you want to jump on that, it's time to jump on it now. It's time to start researching now. It's time to get trained now. If you are already a tax professional, as you know, the laws change every year. So make sure you're up on those laws, you're up on your training, you know what's going on, because it's vital when it comes down to you succeeding in business with your clients, right? So make sure that's step one. That's before making a decision. Make sure you get that right amount of training when it comes down to getting ready for the next tax season. Next, I want you to think about getting your EPAN, okay? So you are now a tax professional. You've been doing it for a while. If you have not already, please get your P10. Please get your P10. You should have your P10 if you're preparing tax. Listen, if you're preparing taxes, I definitely need you to have your P10. That's your prepared tax identification number. They have a link down below. If you have not gotten a P10 yet, something's wrong. I need you to do that. Email me if you're having issues with getting it, because I am here to help anybody. The fastest response with me is through email. So email me. Make sure you put P10 help in the title, but make sure you guys have your P10, because this is vital when it comes down to being paid for tax preparation. You need that. And if you don't have it, something's wrong, okay? Next, remember, we're talking to people who've already done taxes. We're talking to people who've already prepared taxes. So if you're a new tax preparer, then you should have watched a video that I had made a couple of weeks ago. I'll link that video down below. You should be getting your P10 if you're planning on preparing taxes in 2025, because you need it. But let's talk about the EPAN. So your EPAN is where you're getting your own software, you're getting your own banking product. You need that to be successful when it comes down to preparing taxes. You need that. You really do. It's very vital. You really do need it. So make sure, if you're experienced, if you're well seasoned in the game, then your next step should be looking at getting your EPAN, because you want your EPAN. And it's a lot of different things with getting an EPAN. I mean, the EPAN is something that you want and you don't want to wait for that video. You can email me also and put EPAN in the title line, and you need help with it, and we'll go from there, okay? But what's one of the most important things when it comes down to being a successful tax preparer? One of the vital things is having a good software. You need a good software. I know a lot of people have been preparing. I hope nobody's preparing paper returns, but I know a lot of people are preparing paper returns. I know a lot of people are using those free apps online and just having their clients pay them. I lost a lot of money during COVID time. So much money. And I'm talking about thousands of dollars. I could have been a six-figure earner during COVID time, you guys, because I did not have the right software. So when I was preparing the taxes for my normal people, they were like, no, this is not what's being given by the government. And I can tell you, those free apps were not giving it. They weren't. Like, they were not giving the new credits. They were not giving anything that was due to our people for the pandemic. And when it was shut down, that's what made me know, okay, I'm doing something wrong. That's what gave me that hump. Like, my business partner was who told me, you're tripping. But when I saw the numbers that were being generated because of the credits and different things like that, I hurt my clients a lot, because they did not get those credits because those free apps did not give it to them. They weren't, like, I was going in and inputting the information like I was supposed to input it, but they were not, those apps were not giving those credits. And I don't want to say names, but a lot of people know what I'm talking about. So that's what made me stop doing taxes that way and actually get the training and get a proper software. Because having access to a proper software gives you that training. First of all, you're going to go through the software training with the company. The company is going to break everything down to you, so don't be intimidated by it. The company is going to also have an IT person on standby for you. So this, like, things like this helps. You need this when it comes down to becoming a good tax business, okay? You need the proper software. My business partner actually has software. I'll link that down below. But there's so many different software companies out here. I told y'all there's no gatekeeping for me. You can go and pull it. You can go research it. You can go look it up. You can go whatever. But you need the proper software when it comes down to filing tax returns and being paid and filing them correctly and making sure your clients is getting back what they deserve, okay? So you definitely need the proper software company. Next, you need a good banking product. Now, typically the software companies will show you what banking product works with their software, but you definitely need a good banking product, because how are you paid? Please don't tell me your people are cash apping you. Please don't tell me your people are selling you. Please don't tell me you're entrusting hundreds of people with this. So you need to make sure that you have a good banking product, because basically, I'm going to just explain this real quick from how I see it. Basically, the IRS is paying the banking product. The banking product is paying you and paying your client. That's how it's going. So we're keeping that headache of you calling people saying, hey, where's my money? I need you to pay me. I need you to send me money. No, we eliminating that, and we are strictly dealing professionally with business, okay? Next. I need you to get a good mentor or a good coaching. Like, I need you to get somebody that you're able to reach out to and say, hey, I need you. Hey, can you help me with this? Again, those Facebook groups are good, but when you become personable with somebody and you're able to speak with them one-on-one, it helps when you can pick up the phone and be like, hey girl, I got a question. I have my client numbers is not doing this. I need your help with this. Or do you know of a credit that can help my client for this? You need that. You need that. That is vital. Even with all the training, you need somebody that can mentor you and that can coach you through this process. That's why I always tell my new tax preparers, don't come in here walking in here saying, I'm just going to open my own and that's it. No. Listen, you're going to lose. And I'm sorry to say that. I want you to become your own boss. I want you to have your own software, but you have to start somewhere. You have to know the Listen, you guys, this was my first year having my own people. And listen, I still had to go to my business partner who trained me and say, hey, my person asked me this. Can you help me with this? And remember, I've been doing taxes for a while, but you have to have somebody that you're able to reach out to, connect with, and ask questions to, because it's vital. It's needed. You need that. You need that help. You need that support. So make sure you get a good mentor or you get a good coach. Next, marketing. You need to ensure that you are marketing your business. That is step one. You need to ensure that you are marketing your business. I see a lot of tax preparers lose because they start marketing in January saying, hey, I'm doing taxes. Baby, the people need to know all 2024 that you're doing taxes. If you're doing taxes for 2025, even if you ain't start your training, you need to be saying something about taxes, because you need to be in their brain, because you need them to know you talking about taxes when it comes to 2025. Nobody wants to entrust somebody with that important of information and they just started. Huh? Listen, my first year in doing taxes, I act like I had been doing taxes for a while. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, that's the truth. I act like I was well seasoned in it, because you need to know, you know what, I'm not about to walk to no banker and ask them for some information on becoming a financial advisor or something, and they don't know what they're talking about. You need to ensure that you are marketing yourself as if you know what you're talking about and marketing yourself right. And again, start marketing yourself now. If you did not prepare a tax return this year, you need to be talking about taxes the entire year, because when January comes, you don't want the people to be looking for a tax preparer. Them people know you. Okay? All right. Also, I am offering one-on-one coaching for anybody who is in the tax business. If you need help with your business advice, anything that you need help with, there's a link down below in my description box. I am offering mentorship and one-on-one coaching. Click that link, book a consultation with me so we can go over a game plan. We can get you ready for 2025 tax season. Because remember, you're missing out on money if you don't. All right, you guys? All right, that's all I have for y'all. If y'all have not already, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on none of this good stuff, because I am going to be coming with it. Tax season over, girl. I got so much stuff coming. So much stuff coming. I have so many questions that's unanswered. If you have a question in regards to this video, leave it down below and I'll be sure to answer your question with the video. Of course, I'm G with the gems. If I don't know it, I'm going to find it out. All right, you guys. All right. Well, until next time, breaking those generational curses and building that generational wealth. Bye, y'all.